y'all, I'm Kelly with Pins and Needles Kits, and today Brittany and I are in Old Town Spring, Texas, and we are at Cupcake Quilts, which is one of my favorite quilt shops. I love to go to different stores when I'm in different cities, and so this is one of my very favorites. And so we're going to show you their store today, give you a little virtual tour. And so this store is in Fred Martin Memorial Schoolhouse, and they have the entire store. So we're going to go in the door here and look at what they have.
Let's see what they have here.
Area. They sell Bernina sewing machines, and so we've got a beautiful showroom here with their cabinets and their machines and all their accessories. They've got a commercial 16 needle machine here, so it's a lot of fun. But they do a great business with their machines. They have classes. When you buy a machine, you get classes. They have a wonderful service team, and so this is the part of the store that is dedicated to the machines. And then if you come through here, so now we're in one of two classrooms that they have. I love all the bright sunshine. It just makes me so happy to come in here. They sell the Bernina long arm, and this is the sit down model, so you can do free motion stitching with this one. Here's a sample of one of their quilts. Super cute, bright and happy. That's what I love about this store, is the bright, happy colors, and the people that work here are really fun too. So we've got a great big classroom here, and then we're going to go through to the hallway, and we'll start seeing some of their fabrics. So they have a nice thread, embroidery thread, quilt, all kinds of good stuff. So the first time I came here, this was just kind of a hallway with samples, and now as you can see, it is full of fabric. Lots and lots and lots of fabric here. So anything you can want, they pretty much have. Look at this, Boy Scout fabric. I hadn't even seen that before, and looks like Girl Scouts too. So they have beautiful samples. What do you think, Brittany? You think we can find some fabric in here to make something?
I definitely think we can find something.
Look, polka dots. Love me some polka dots. And then I think they have a class going on in the other classroom, so we'll just do a little sneak peek in there. We won't bother them. So they've got another nice big classroom in here.
Why did you pick the dog out?
And they give lots of classes. They've got some of the classes that are coming up here on the wall. And then we're going to go through here to the fabric area. So they carry a wide range of fabrics: North Pop Monarch, Moda, Art Gallery, all kinds, all the really great fabric lines. Look at these cute little cupcakes down here. Isn't that adorable? Yeah. So they also do quilting for the public, and so they have a really beautiful gamma quilting machine here. And so they've got a quilt on there right now, and if you look back there on the hangers are all the quilts that are ready to be done. Over here next to Brittany is all the quilts, I guess, that are finished. So this keeps Taylor pretty busy in this area right here. We have a nice big variety of minky fabrics. So this is a quilt made with minky, quilted with looks like sharks and fish and all kinds of good stuff. Feels really nice.
Yeah, I don't hear anything. Are you there? I don't know.
We also have some knit fabrics. So if you're into garment sewing, makes a great thing to sew with. Lots of kids fabrics. They have a beautiful color wall over there on the right. Oh, look at this.
He was having me say
hi. He's gonna give me a hug. As Maverick would say, yay!
yes, that is so cute.
Oh, that's beautiful. See the elephant?
I know.
And of course, then we have the checkout area where everybody does their purchases. And so this is Cupcake Quilts. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you're ever in Old Town Spring, which is a suburb of Houston, we would love for you to come by and see Stacy and the gang. So thanks for watching. We hope that you will like and subscribe to our YouTube page and like us on Facebook and Instagram.